Hi, welcome to Tyntesfield, England. Today we're going to walk around this beautiful mansion and we're going to walk around the beautiful garden which surrounds this mansion. And this was owned by a Tinte family who had owned this property since 1500s. In 1830, it was bought by a family called Gibbs. This is the entrance. And now it's owned by the National Trust. There are lots of meadows and lots of walking places, and there are a few private houses within the compound. I think this is one of them. I'm not sure who owns this. This is amazing to have a house in the National Trust.
Even though if it's...
And you could see a Porsche parked outside that house. Sorry, it's not in the video. So definitely it's a private house. And look at these beautiful trees reaching up to the sky.
Wow, look at that. This is like a picture.
You could just sit down and draw this place, especially in the spring. It's so amazing. And this is the Victorian building. This is grade 1 building, so that means you cannot change anything in this building. It is the government property almost. So this names, the Tyntesfield, comes from the Tinte baronets who had owned estate in the area since 1500. And as we said, initially it was used as a hunting lodge. Then it was a farmhouse, of course, a beautiful farmhouse. In 1830, it was bought by William Gibbs. William Gibbs died in 2001. In 2002, the National Trust bought it, and of course, National Trust does a really good job in this country, and they buy all this kind of huge buildings which owners cannot manage most of the time. And they look after them, they preserve them.
How big is that?
And we have a membership for National Trust. It costs about £75 for the whole family,
sky.
2 adults and 3 children.
Almost touching
and you
the
can
clouds.
visit every National Trust for free at any time. And the parking is free. Only the parking on these places you would pay £5. So just imagine if you go to 5 places, you already paid £25.
1853.
That was somebody's house one day. I know these people.
Never seen you before.
Who are in the film.
Later, the English businessman William Gibbs bought it in 1830, and the Gibbs family owned it for a long time, since 1830 to 2001.
And all these old buildings always have a summer house, a kind of place where they grow tropical fruits and flowers. You see, the lemon are so happy. This is spring.
This is a glass
The sun
house.
started coming out.
It's quite common for these big places to have this kind of glass house where they grow tropical fruits. It smells so nice. Those flowers. Wow.
This glass house is sometimes bigger than the normal UK houses. A lot of serious gardening going on here.
I remember seeing places like this in Spain when I went to Sevilla. Alhambra Palace. They have very similar pattern.
They must be preserving wood in the olden days. They still keep it. Some children play area. Of course, it's close.
There's a nice tractor there.
That's a nice little trip. Well, I got a sausage.
Dog ice cream, of course. And this is what I like in these places, these walled gardens where they grow vegetables.
That's apple trees, aren't they?
Oh, this is what my mum said. We need to get something like this. This is like column apple trees.
Yeah.
And she said, get like this, and they were not gonna spread, and they will just go like this, and that's it.
That's nice. Apple trees.
Yeah. And she said,
Column apple tree, yeah?
yeah, column apple trees.
It's a different kind of tree.
Yeah. Because they don't grow like ours. They were gonna go just like this.
Perfect. What is this one?
Rosemary.
Fig trees. Such a beautiful cozy corners, if you say, they have, tucked in, unexpected places.
Nice. Can come for an afternoon tea.
Imagine you come here for an afternoon tea with scones.
You can see that date.
Actually, I did this film with my new gimbal. I was walking around and you could see that the movements are not much felt on the video. It's quite smooth. It's nice. It's quite nice. I spent about £80 on it. Bought it on Amazon. It's called Xeon, and it does a really good job. And one charge lasts about 8-9 hours. And that's the mansion. Never-ending manicured gardens. I'm not sure how many people working here, but I haven't seen any workers today. Such a nice view from the garden. Look at these beautiful trees. different flowers in different places. This is on the side of the house. Look at this tiny little house. It's again a nice place, you know, the children to go and play around, and oh, you can nicely sit down with your friends and have an afternoon tea. And this is what you see from the house when you come out. You must be really lucky to live in one of these houses, to be rich enough to maintain that as well.
Where?
Not many people are that rich to enjoy this kind of beauty in this world. Again, wild garlics is so much there, and the whole area was smelling of garlic.
Messed it up.
Well, you could go on the buggy board. No, not for here.
Dinosaur eggs.
I wanted her to.
And we're almost there. That's Tyntesfield. It took us almost 4 hours or 4 to 5 hours walking, relaxed, and it was a nice day. Yeah, if you like, you can always visit us here. Anyway, if you like our videos, you can always subscribe to the channel, so whenever I upload videos you will get alerted. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, look after yourself. Goodbye.